so that you get the right thing.
Runyanjara-ini rwa Olpajeta kaunti-ini ya Laikipia ni kuo ruhonge rwa kurumbuiania na nyamu cia githaka KWS Minister wa Ugendi Najib Balala ataramu o ciarithania wa nyamu kuma thiini na nja wa bururi matabanirie mubango uyu wa kungania matumbi kuma kuri munyi cia nga cia rangi mweru iria tu itigarite guku bururi-ini iria ni Najin na Fatu. Ikinya riri ni ria kugeria kugitira kuhuka kwa munyi cia rangi mweru kuona munyi teno ya njamba na iria yari ya muthia guku bururi-ini yakuire mwaka muhituku. Munyi igiri ciambire kugonio na matumbi 10 marutwo kuhuthira cindano makionererio haria mari kugerera mbica ya kuhurwo na kompyuta. Matumbi maya matwaritwo o nginya bururi-ini wa Italy kuria makuigwa wega niguo manyitithanio na mbegu iria cionganitio kuma kuri munyi ya njamba ya muhirigo uyu itana kuwa mwaka muhituku.
After fertilization, the resulting zygote will be developed for about another 10 days or so before we know whether it's a viable embryo or not. So within the next 2 weeks, we should be able to tell the number of embryos that we will develop from today's activity.
But it's very optimistic that this will succeed. And the unfortunate part that Najin is aging.
What it does is just project hope that we'll be able to get the northern white rhino back out of extinction. Now, if there's any other way you can describe magic, that is it.
Uciarithanio ucio niguo gucoka uhandwo thiini wa munyi ya nga iria gucagurwo o guku runyanjara-ini rwa Olpajeta.
We want to sterilize a southern white rhino bull, and that will become our teaser. The teaser's purpose will be to help us assess the estrous cycle of these females, because before you do any transfer, you need to have the right conditions in the uterus. Otherwise, you do that when the conditions are not right, and the embryo will just be rejected.
Riri ni rita ria gatatu ataramu aya marongania matumbi kuma kuri munyici ria mbere riri mweri wa 8 mwaka muhituku. Ona gukiria uguo ataramu aya marauga no kuoya kahinda ka miaka 3 maciaro ma muciarithanio uyu mangikoneka amu igeria ria mbere to nginya rirute wira na oho munyi ikuaga ihu kwa ihinda ria mieri 16. Ngiribotera Inooro TV getwo Karo Kinyugo Mwaura.